Hello guys, I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, we say welcome to you. So today we're going to make waakyee with red beans. Waakyee we normally cook with black-eyed peas, but today we're going to use red beans. For this recipe, we're going to be needing red beans. You can use any type of red beans. So friends, we're not using baking soda or waakyee leaves for this waakyee. The color that we're looking for is going to come from this red beans. All right. So this is waakyee without the leaves or baking soda. We will still get the same effect as if we used those ingredients. Next ingredient is rice. I'm using basmati rice. Salt, water, and this is optional, coconut oil. Cover and bring it to a boil. So guys, at this point you're going to check and see if your beans is soft. Not too soft, but then soft enough to add the rice, because it's still going to be cooking whilst the rice is cooking as well. This is perfect. So we're going to wash the rice and add it to the beans. Rice. Salt. Coconut oil, which is optional. Stir everything up and let it cook. Guys, you do not need waakyee leaves to cook waakyee. You can cook waakyee without the leaves or baking soda. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe and join the family and share this recipe with your family. I want you to give this recipe a try with the veggie SHITO that I made. If you've not watched it, I'll link it below. Go and watch it. Pair it with this waakyee and come and thank me later. Tastes amazing. Till I see you again in another video, stay blessed and be safe. Bye.